How to fix print spooler keeps stopping on Windows. 1. Run printer troubleshooter in your Windows. 2. Check the print spooler service. 2.1 Set automatic to print spooler properties. 2.2 Enable restart the service for first failure, second failure, and subsequent failures on the recovery tab. 2.3 Restart your PC. 3. Delete some old and unused printer's connection. 4. Delete old print spooler files. 4.1 Stop print. Spooler service. 4.2 Backup then delete items at c:\windows\system32\spool/printers. 4.3 Restart your PC. 5. Update printer drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. Delete all keys, except WinPrint, at computer /HKey_local_machine/system/current control set/control/print/environments/Windows x64/print processors in registry. For 32-bit Windows users, go to HKey_local_machine/system/current control set/control/print/environments/Windows NT x86/print processors instead.